children. We present a drama, The Man Who Cried Wolf. Oh, what a beautiful day! The sun is shining, a breeze is blowing, birds are chirping, flowers are blooming. Oh, what a beautiful day! Who's that? It's Sheru with his sheep. Sheru doesn't look at me. What's wrong, Sheru? I don't like my job. Every day is the same. Take the sheep, go to the hill, and sit there all the day. I get so bored. Why don't you sing a song? I don't like songs. Why don't you play the flute? I don't like music. Why don't you read a book? I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today I am going to have fun. Just see what I do. Help, help, wool, wool. Help, help, wool, wool. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help, please help. Don't worry, Sheru. We'll drive the wolf away. Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha, there's no wolf. I was shouting just for fun. You silly boy, this is no fun. Don't do it again. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't drive wolf for fun. How I trick the man. Ha ha ha. How I pull the man. Ha ha ha. Oh, I'm wolf. Help, help, wolf, wolf. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please come, please help. What happened? There's the wolf. Ha ha ha, there's the wolf. I fooled them. There's no wolf. But it's so much fun. Ha ha ha. You stupid boy. We won't listen to you again. We won't come again even if you cry. The men are angry. They won't come again. Even if you cry, they won't come again. Oh, but please. A real wolf. A real big bad wolf. Now what we should do? Wolf. Don't come here. Don't touch my sheep. Help, help. Wolf, wolf. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help, please help. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't cry. My sheep, my sheep. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I shall never cry wolf for fun again. Sheru has learned lesson. Hell never cry wolf for fun. Thank you.